In this lesson, we're going to learn how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. When converting an improper fraction to a mixed number, break the numerator to a number that is divisible by the denominator and the other number. Okay, I'll explain this. I think I need to explain this. And then after that, we simplify. Let's try to look at the examples and see what I mean by this point. Right, we have 9 over 5, which is an improper fraction. We want to convert it to a mixed number. So we break 9, which is the numerator, into a number that is divisible by the denominator and the other number. So the numbers that are divisible by the denominator are the multiples of that denominator. In this case, the numbers that are divisible by 5 are the multiples of 5. So we have to break 9 into a multiple of 5 and another number. But this multiple of 5 must be the highest multiple just before what? Just before 9. Let's look at the multiples of 5. These are the multiples of 5. We have 5, 10, 15. It goes on like that. Now, which multiple of 5 is just before 9? It is 5. So now we can break 9 into 5 and another number. Then becomes what? 5 plus 4. You see that? This is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 is divisible by 5. And then 4 is not. And then we have 9 over 5. 5 plus 4 over 5 is just the same as 9 over 5, isn't it? I want you to remember this. If we have A over B plus C over B, if the denominators are the same, we can just add the numerators and say A plus C over B like that. Just like when you're adding fractions, say 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. What do you get? You just say 1 plus 2, which is 3 over 4. See that? So now, this 5 plus 4 over 5 can be broken into 5 over 5 plus 4 over 5. And then this 5 over 5 will give us a whole number, which is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And then we have 1 plus 4 over 5, which is equal to 1 and 4/5. See that? We have managed to convert 9 over 5 to a mixed number. The other thing that people do, the faster one, you just say 9 over 5, and then you say 5 into 5, 1, then 5 into 9, 1, remainder 4. And then the remainder becomes the numerator, and then 4 over 5 like that. That's another way of doing it. Let's go to the second example. All right, we have 16 over 3. We want to convert to a mixed number. Let's look at the multiples of 3. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, goes on like that. So we look for the multiple of 3, which is just before 16. This is the multiple, which is 15. See that? And then we can break 16 into 15 plus 1. So it's 15 plus 1 divided by 3, our denominator. Denominator is 3. And then we break this into two fractions. It's like 15 divided by 3 plus 1 over 3. Then this will give us a whole number, which is what? 15 divided by 3 is 5, and then plus 1 over 3, which is equal to 5 and 1/3. Okay. The faster method, you can say 16 divided by 3, and then say 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 16 is 5, remainder 1. And then the remainder becomes our numerator, and our denominator there is 3. Okay, you just take this denominator, then we have 5 and 1/3. All right, let's do example 3. Let's look at the multiples of 2. And then look at the highest multiple that is before 23. That would be 22, isn't it? So we can break 23 into 22 plus 1. So it becomes 22 plus 1 divided by 2. 22 plus 1 divided by 2. And then this can be broken into two fractions, 22 over 2 plus 1 over 2. And then 22 over 2 will give us a whole number, which is 11, then plus 1 over 2. So our mixed number becomes 11 and a half. The shorter method, like I said, you can say 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 23, 11, remainder 1. Then the remainder becomes the numerator, and then our denominator is 2. So it's 11 and a half. You may pause the video here and convert these four improper fractions to mixed numbers. Right, welcome back. Let's do this together. So 35 divided by 12. Let's look at the multiples of 12. That is 12, 24, 36. So it means the highest multiple of 12 just before 35 is what? Is 24. And then we can say 35 is 24. 24 plus 11. 24 plus 11, that's 35 over 12. And then you can break this into two fractions. And then get 24 over 12 plus 11 over 12. And then becomes 24 divided by 12 is 2 plus 11 over 12. Then our mixed number becomes 12 and 11 over 12. Or the shorter method, you just say 35 divided by 12. You can say 12 into 12, 1. 12 into 35 is 2, remainder 11. And then our denominator is 12 over 12, like that. And we get to 2 and 11 over 12. Okay. Then B, 22 divided by 7. The highest multiple of 7 just before 22 is 21. So we can break 22 into 21 plus 1. It's over 7. And then this is like 21 over 7 plus 1 over 7. 21 over 7 plus 1 over 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. And then plus 1 over 7. And then our mixed number is 3 and 1 over 7. And then the shorter method, you say 22 divided by 7. Say 7 into 7. 7 into 7, 1. 7 into 22, that is 3, remainder 1. Then our denominator is 7, so it becomes 3 and 1 over 7. Right, let's do question C. 24 over 9. The highest common multiple of 9 just before 24 should be 18. 18, and then 18 plus what to get 24? It should be 18 plus 6. So it's 18 plus 6. So we can break 24 into 18 plus 6 over 9. And then becomes 18 over 9 plus 6 over 9. Then 18 divided by 9, that's 2. Then plus 6 over 9. So it becomes 2 and 6 over 9. 6 over 9 can be reduced to its simplest form, but we're going to do this in our next lesson. The highest common factor between 6 and 9 is 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then we're getting 2 and 2/3. Right, and then we can do this in a faster way. Say 24 over 9. We say 9 into 9, 1. 9 into 24, that's 2. 2 remainder 6. Then becomes 6 over 9. Then just do the same thing and get 2 and 2/3. Right, and then let's do D. We break 30 into a multiple of 12 and another number. The highest multiple of 12 before 30 is 24. 24. Then you can break 30 into 24 and 6. So 24 plus 6, which is divided by 12, which is 24 over 12 plus 6 over 12. Then 24 divided by 12, that's 2. And then plus 6 over 12. Then we get 2 and 6/12. 6 over 12 can be reduced to 1 over 2. Divide 6 by 6, get 1. Divide 12 by 6, get 2. So it's 2 and 1 over 2. Okay. The shorter way of doing this, just say 30 divided by 12. Then say 12 into 12, 1. 12 into 32, remainder 6. And then you get your 6, and then over our denominator, which is 12. Then reduce it to 2 and 1 over 2. That's how we convert improper fractions to mixed numbers.